This is the brief on free Python learning resources. We're comparing the top 5 free Python resources to help you choose the right path, identifying the one crucial practice gap they all leave behind. With an ocean of free content out there, how do you avoid tutorial purgatory and actually retain what you study? First, the heavy hitters. Python.org is incredibly thorough because it's written by the maintainers, but it's deeply dry and lacks the hand-holding needed to maintain motivation. Meanwhile, FreeCodeCamp offers a strongly structured, long-form video format, but it requires a massive, multi-hour commitment and offers zero mobile practice. Think of Python.org like reading a technical manual, and FreeCodeCamp like a marathon weekend boot camp. Second, let's check out the specialized tools. CS50P on edX offers unmatched academic depth and rigor, but it's a grueling course-length grind that isn't built for casual learners. W3 Schools is phenomenal for fast reference and quick examples, but it's entirely too shallow for meaningful retention. And Kaggle Learn is fantastic for data science-leaning learners, but its narrow focus makes it poor for general-purpose programming. Finally, we got to talk about the missing piece. None of the above resources offer bite-sized mobile quizzes to actually reinforce what you've learned on the go. Enter the Learn Python Quiz and Lessons free Android app, packing 12+ lessons, quizzes, no account required, and zero data collection. Let's be real, this app is strictly a practice companion to drill concepts while commuting or waiting in line. Definitely not a magical replacement for heavy-duty courses. Ultimately, the secret to mastering Python isn't finding one perfect course, but pairing a deep foundational resource with a dedicated mobile practice companion.